last time we're going to have a final exam, right, sir?
Yeah. We're gonna have final exam. Uh, yeah, we will, and we're gonna talk about it a little bit today. So, the final
Oh,
paper. Do you guys have any question about it? If not,
so
we
we
can.
have final paper and also final exam, am I right, sir?
Yeah. Final paper is just like it's part of the assignment, you know. So final paper is just like talk about your SWOT analysis. It's 2 pages, not really bad. And then the final exam is most likely going to be more focused on short answer question. So I'm going to do the same using Google Survey, Google Quiz like this. And for the short answer question, please do not copy every word from the slide. Use your own words. Paraphrase. No, paraphrase. Okay, because uh, it's going to be a lot of questions. If you go to the slide, try to find one by one, you won't have enough time to do that. Okay. The final exam going to be okay. Do we have question? Uh, for the final paper, I don't think I need to give you a guideline because expectation is the same. There's nothing changed. It's just like 2 pages required, and then about the SWOT analysis. Yeah, we don't need a paper guideline or anything. Just want to make sure you format it correctly and then work on your citation and reference. You're not sure, just please go to the recorded video. I show you how to do it on the class 2 days ago, remember? Okay, so gonna keep today lecture short. Today we're gonna study on benchmarking. Have anyone ever heard benchmarking before? Benchmarking. Benchmark. Yeah, if you never heard about this word, don't worry about it. There's still a lot of people never heard about it. Even those who graduate from college, they still never heard about it. Most people, like most American people, I asked them, they said they don't understand what it is. So that's fine. Don't feel bad about it. Just want to ask you. So benchmarking is more or less it's like copying, but it's not 100% copying. It's just like we learn from something that we see that is it's like for example you guys probably heard a lot about like a great leader, like global leader, or you have like a person your idol in mind, and you probably like, want to be the same like them, right? But you're not 100% copy from them. You probably read about their story, read about their background, what they do after they wake up, what is like what kind of their lifestyle, and you kind of copy some of them and copy it, and then you apply it to yourself, so you could like improve your lifestyle, improve your habit. You know, that's the type of thing we call benchmarking. And sure, we apply benchmarking to business as well as logistics, the same thing. Okay, let me log into iPad real quick so I could see your comments. Okay, sorry. Okay, the definition of benchmarking is the practice of being humble enough to admit that someone else is better at something and being wise enough to try to learn how to match and even surpass them at all. So being humble, like okay, in a business or whatever, when you create your own startup or your your business, you always think that there's someone else who has a better business strategy than you. So you probably learn from them and apply to you. For example, Amazon, Amazon and eBay case. eBay has been a while, uh, has been like people know more of eBay like 10 or 15 years ago than Amazon. And what Amazon do is just like learn from the competitor, the benchmarking from eBay, how how the sub payment from the customer, and not only learn from them and apply to their business, but they improve it, and at one point Amazon surpassed eBay. It's like what it is right now. They even surpass their competitor. So benchmarking, like most of the time, the company benchmark from their competitor or other company in the same industry, how how their business work. Let's say you want to create someone want to create like a delivery business in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. So what are they gonna do? I'm sure they're gonna look at their Food Panda or at Yum24, right? Look at how they develop their app, how the app work, how they design the uniform for the driver, how they design the container for the driver, or the color, what does it look like, something like that. So that's kind of learning process we call benchmarking. Okay. Uh, Anyone have any question or not sure what benchmarking is all about? Do we have or do we have? Hello? No? Is it legal? Yes, it's legal. It's completely 100% legal. It is 100% legal. Benchmarking is 100% legal. But if you copy, that is illegal. It's like Samsung and iPhone happen a lot when they copy each other technology, and like yeah, they sue each other a lot. Apple sue no Apple sue Samsung a lot. That's copying technology. That's not benchmarking. So you need to be careful with that. So it is a symmetric approach to business improvement where the best practice is thought and implemented to improve process beyond benchmark performance. So same thing here. This is what is it? It's this thematic approach, like in general approach, everyone could use it. Having a system to business improvement. So yeah, benchmarking is one of the tools that we use to improve business. But again, for it's that being said, for the sake of God, do not copy or you get sued. But I'm sure like some company they don't know where to sue their competitor. So yeah, somehow like someone copy everything from them, but they don't know how to sue them. Or they never learn about the law or the legal process or whatever. So benchmarking here is not about copying other company approach. It's about learning from them and you apply it to your own. It's like same thing. It happened like for me. I used to work in a oil company before, and I was asked to create a website, and I have no clue how to do it. And I asked manager. The manager told me like, "All right, you go to see like the competitor website like Total, Bencha, Petronas, or ExxonMobil website. See what they put on their website and try to do the same with them. Sure, they have like hundreds of products, but for our company we have like 15, 20 products. So we're gonna put on what we have. And what else do we have to put on the website? Maybe customer review, maybe some contact information if someone want to partnership with us, something like that. For the Total and ExxonMobil, they are international brand. They operate in 100 of countries. So you go to their website, they put the first thing they ask you is you like put your location, what country are you from, and then they will direct their website to that location. But for us, it's a local company, so we don't need that kind of stuff. So you see, we're not copying from them. So we go to their website to get some idea of how we're gonna build our website. Yeah, same thing, and it's completely legal. Yeah, the same thing a lot happen a lot with the 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 movie maker. I have like a friend who like professional in filming movie, filming music, filming like advertisement. Then and what he do? I asked him, where do you learn that kind of skill from? He said he learned a little bit from the school, but most of the time he just like go to uh, international website, video on YouTube, whatever, and see how they shoot the video, see the angle, the light, uh, such thing like that, and then he learned from it and he applied it to his career, and it worked out really well. So that's kind of thing we call benchmarking. So adapt before we adapt before adopting. So you go to the competitor, look at their strategy, look at their design, website or whatever, anything. Benchmarking you could apply to anything. So you go to that and you pick something that would apply to your own. We call adapting. So you pick something, you adapt it, and when you adopt it, you apply it to your own. Okay. So benchmarking is about learning and adapting appropriate practice. So any practice that is appropriate to you, to your business, to the context, to the environment, so that they can be usefully adopted in an effort to improve efficiency and effectiveness. Okay. Stop me. You have any questions? I might go really fast. So important stage of benchmarking. There is a lot of stage of benchmarking, but here I just pick the important three. So first, select the area you want to be studied. So if you want to focus on the sales and marketing, so building a website is one of the tools for sales and marketing. And then you identify potential benchmarking partner. Benchmarking partner, you could go to your competitor or go to the company in the same industry. So usually company in the same industry, you learn from them a lot. Amazon, go to competitor, go to eBay, benchmark from eBay. And not only benchmarking, Amazon also work on something that eBay don't have, that eBay don't have. Or work on like, they use SWOT analysis, they do analysis on eBay, what their competitor is not good at, their weaknesses not good at, and Amazon just like use those things to put on their business strategy, business model, and then boom, like, it create a lot of value to customer and people like it. Like 2-day delivery, fast and cheaper product. Yeah, everyone like it and have a lot of options to choose from. That's what make Amazon being so successful. And then you collect data and then benchmarking from and select benchmarking partner. So here collecting data, one of the things is like you compare. You focus on a sale. So after you before and after you benchmark, you see how much it will increase. Is it going up or going down? And what is the percentage? Okay. Questions? This is the end of the lecture today. No, keep it really short. Alright, question in general. I think we have only one more week. Next week is gonna be week 15. Should I give you guys another quiz or no? So let me look at the schedule really quick. What do we have? Schedule. syllabus. So yeah, so the material we learned today, this week, is supposed to be same last week, but we spent 1 week on SWOT analysis. So that's why this material. That's why we had to push it back. So next week we're gonna learn on. Oh, actually, we don't really need this kind of thing. So we might need to learn brainstorming, calculate return on investment. Seminar, I don't think we really need that because we have a lot of time. Most of the time it's like at the end of the class. Normally seminar is like, in a classroom where student and teacher sitting in front of each other and then discuss what they have learned so far in the semester, something like that. I don't think that we don't really need that. So this is just a paper that you could read. I could send it to you to read, but it's still optional. So I just want to put another exercise for you guys to do. Another exercise like inventory exercise maybe. And we're gonna work on cause and effect analysis. Brainstorming. Okay. I'm gonna send a short paper for you guys to read. Just short one. This one, 5 supply chain lesson you can learn from summer game in Clio. And then we're gonna focus on this thing. Okay. So week on 16 July. Oh wait. So what happened in holiday? So this 14th June this week. Next week 14th June. And then 15th July. Oh, something is wrong with the schedule. Wait. Yeah, something is wrong. Oh, no, week 15, sorry. So July 1st, and then July 8th, the final exam preparation. Yeah, so we have 1 week to prepare for final exam. We could conduct a review, and then I'm going to tell you what to study. But mainly focus on warehouse, inventory, and transportation. Those are them. Your final exam, 120 minutes. They're going to be 3 questions related to 3, not long, but just medium answer question related to warehouse, transportation, and inventory. And then going to be a lot of short answer question related to the topic that we learned after the midterm, like problem solving tool, financial management tool, performance management tool. Yeah, I'm gonna have like 1 short answer question in each section after the midterm, and then the rest gonna be multiple choice with subsection. Yeah, and multiple choice gonna be include the question from the quiz. Yeah, random question from the quiz. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Anything else? Question, request, feedback, concern? If not, class dismissed. If you do have anything to say, let me know. Stick around. Yeah, and enjoy your weekend, guys. See you next week.